Ribus. Guanchi. Craig. Might work out. Oh, he could finish. In it goes! Very quick thinking there. Opportunity. Terrific save. Bonk. Kovalchik. And threading it through. Oh, could be. And a goal! Cause for... there to deal with it. And he clears the danger. Decent looking pass. In it goes! He's made it a brace for...
This game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Can they convert? Ball is loose. And at the second time of asking, it's a goal. Bonk. He cuts it back. And there is the goal that gives them a well... Craig. Gives it a go. And it's gone in. The team's... Craig. There's 10 minutes remaining here. A move of promise. Is it going to end with them scoring the winning goal? Oh, that's a goal at the wrong end. And in with a real chance. It's opened up for him. Oh, but denied. Full credit to the keeper.
Well, of course he should score, but what...
Well, late in the game here, they know what they need, and that's an equaliser. Can he make it count? And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick! Well, threat over for now. Kovalchik. Excellent strike! Oh, what a goal! Well, showing good patience. Craig. And he takes on the shot. Well, what a stop that was. Bonk. Not getting anxious when they have the ball. Opportunity here. He's gone and found the net. And possibilities here. And the referee has pointed to the spot. A penalty it is. Ribus with it. Now he must favour the cross. And a goal right off the bat. No. Craig. And it's gone in! The team's separated by 2 goals. And a no-nonsense clearance. Well, using the space really well. But now... And a goal it is! They lead by 2. Determined defending. This could be troublesome. A goal! That's 2 for him to... Bonk. Abdi. And the cross into the middle. In it goes! That will greatly help. Oh, the crossbar is still reverberating. Well, defensive resilience there. And nicely over the top. Oh, he's through here. A lovely attempt. Oh, how about that for a chip? Well, he was in the right place to intercept. Ribus with it. Can he keep his composure? And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating. Well, he's gone short with it. And the referee felt he had to blow the... Craig. Bonk. Opportunity here. And there it is. The opening goal. 1-0. And they'll feel they do. Nice switch of play. And can they exploit the space out wide? Could be. Oh, such an elegant finish. How about... Craig. A lot of space to attack. Could play it in. Could be. And there it is. 1-0. Their efforts have been... Chance to do damage. Options in the centre. Can he take the chance? And a goal! Now they have... Ribus. Craig. Might work out. Oh, he could finish. In it goes! To rubber stamp it once. Nice looking pass. Could be. And this time it's in! Fabulous goal! And just look at the... Oh, tremendous vision. Oh, surely! Oh, it's in! A two-goal cushion now! And the... Keen to take it short here. And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. Must score! And a goal! Well, that ball looks promising. Just trying to keep their opponents on their toes with the passing game. In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that's a wonderful intervention. Well, how about that for a piece of tackling to break things up? And he might be through here. Teammate in support. Must finish. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, here's the replay. He's done really well to get his head up and pick somebody out with that cutback. And then through on goal.
Oh, nice ball over the top. Well, body in the way. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Well, the short corner routine. Good-looking cross. Wonderful header. Excellent goalkeeping. Lou. An alert intervention. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Can they take advantage of the situation? It needs an accurate cross. Oh, it's off the post. And a goal! Not over. Ribus with it. And threading it through. Is it going to be a goal? He's dispatched.
So far, the passing's been sharp, the movement from the front players has been excellent, and the finishing has been clinical. They will certainly be happy going in at half-time.
A chance to whip it in. Great opportunity. And in! Oh! Craig. Nielsen. Must be. And a goal this time. Applying the finishing. And pressed high. Abdi. Promising pass. Real chance. A goal! How about that? He Defensively. Craig. Well, moving the ball forward, they might be in business. Great opportunity. It's in. They're looking. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. And a goal. The equaliser. Superb entertainment. Oh, big chance. And he's alone in the middle by the look of things. And he finds the net. Oh, showing good vision. The delivery. Oh, yes! As pure a header as you're likely to see.
That's why he's missed the target there.
Craig. And playing it through.